I flew out to the pizza capital of America. I'm sorry, can we take that again? I flew out to the gas station pizza capital of America, the outskirts of Milwaukee, Wisconsin. It's the home to over 42 gas stations that serve hot pizza. And I'm here to figure out why the business is booming here and across the country and how you, or even I, could get into it. Because it's an unorthodox business model that presents a surprisingly profitable opportunity.
So I packed my bags.
Dad's going on a pizza vacation.
Headed to the airport.
Smells like pizza.
Got on a plane to Milwaukee and talked to some locals about gas station pizza.
Have you ever had Hunt Brothers Pizza before?
Every morning.
Every morning? Oh my God.
It's delicious pizza.
Their breakfast pizza, a must-have.
Do you know how much money this business makes every year?
No.
Do you want to know?
Not really.
I started my whole investigation after hearing this on the My First Million podcast.
Hunt Brothers Pizza. These guys went in and basically found a new way to do the pizza business, and they're growing very, very fast.
And there's an extremely high density of Hunt Brothers outside Milwaukee, Wisconsin.
Well, I think I'm about ready, and it's time to go. Dad's going to eat pizza.
Okay, so Hunt Brothers actually isn't alone, but it's the largest pizza chain in the entire country. And among gas station pizza sellers, Hunt Brothers relies solely on pizza revenue. Yet it has over 9,000 stores, and that's 2,000 more than Domino's. And it generates an estimated annual revenue of $24 to $30 million. But it wasn't always what it is today, because it actually got its start as a wholesale pizza business. Brothers Don, Lonnie, Jim, and Charlie Hunt had worked in their father's restaurant growing up and decided to make a living together in wholesale food distribution. In 1962, the brothers created Pepe's Pizza, which sold pizza ingredients to local businesses. Their clients ranged from restaurants and bars to venues like bowling alleys and drive-in theaters. They sold the rather successful Pepe's in 1981, and in 1991 they came back together to form Hunt Brothers Pizza. This time, they took the base of their previous wholesale business and applied it to a micro-restaurant business, installing pizza-making capabilities in pre-existing stores like gas stations and convenience stores. I just got to my hotel, and now I'm gonna get some rest. I'm gonna get up with an empty stomach. I'm gonna eat as much pizza as I can and ask as many questions as I can, and I'm not gonna stop until I'm out of both. It's time to uncover some hard truths. Oh, seatbelt. I forgot about that part. It's time to uncover some hard truths about the world of gas station pizza.
Have you ever had Hunt Brothers Pizza before?
Every morning.
Every morning? Oh my God.
All the time.
I have several times.
How many is several?
I'd say every weekday for the past 3 weeks.
It's delicious pizza, and people, they eat the hell out of it.
What do you think the best part about the pizza is? Do you think it's the taste or the convenience?
Probably a combination of both.
Both of those for sure. Super convenient. Also, though, the taste is amazing. Their breakfast pizza, a must-have.
After getting the public's opinion on gas station pizza, I went even deeper with the managers and owners of these gas stations.
What do you think is the best part about Hunt Brothers Pizza?
I think Hunt Brothers Pizza is actually amazing pizza. The reason why it sells so well here, I think, is because we are right in the middle of, Wisconsin, Illinois. So everyone has to come past here to get into Milwaukee and past here to go to Chicago, stuff like that.
How easy is it to carry Hunt Brothers Pizza in your store?
It's very simple. People want it. I mean, if we didn't have that, I don't think we'd have half the customers we have come through here. They come in for the pizza because they know the pizza is good. And then they said, they figure, while I'm here, I might as well get other stuff too.
Chris told me that his business sells about 600 pizzas a month, and each pizza costs $11.99 before tax. That's a lot of pizza income right there.
We have regular customers on a daily basis that come out here just for our pizza. This is how our pizzas start. Regular cheese pizza. We put our toppings on them, throw them through our oven, and then package them up, bring it out here. Yeah, it's one of our full pizzas.
Oh, it smells really good.
Oh yeah, it just came out.
It's actually really good. Yeah,
That's really good pizza, right?
I mean, you put chicken, bacon, and ranch on literally anything.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I'll eat that.
So after seeing Chris's location, I had to check out a bigger Hunt Brothers setup. So I met with Laura, the owner of another gas station in Kansasville, Wisconsin, which was only a 20-minute drive away.
So we saw another setup today. It seems like they come in different sizes. Do you have to do something extra for a bigger setup like you have in there?
Yeah, you have to pay more. There's different levels, different tiers that you can do. You could literally just get the oven and a warmer. So ours was around $13,000, but the packages can go up to $25,000.
And I'm assuming you made back your initial investment on that oven.
Yes, in a year. The way they have it set up, you're not paying any licensing fees or any cut of the profits going towards them. You buy your setup and then you buy the product from them.
Laura also told me that per month her store sells about 400 pizzas and 50 pounds of wings.
That's a lot.
That's a lot.
Where do you get most of your pizza ingredients from?
Most of it comes directly from Pizza Wholesale Lexington, located in Milwaukee, Wisconsin.
Laura also confirmed that the pizzas themselves take 5 minutes to make if the oven is already preheated. Of course, I went out mostly for Hunt Brothers, but while I was in Milwaukee, I had to see how this gas station pizza business could be successful in a different form. To get some more insight, I went to talk with Bob Moll, the district manager at another wildly successful gas station pizza chain called Casey's.
We've been in a pretty steady growth. We just opened a bunch of stores in Texas down to Dallas, Fort Worth area. We've been expanding south, Knoxville, Tennessee, Kentucky, and then Texas.
It's amazing. How important is it for a gas station to offer some sort of hot food or like fresh made food on the premises? Do you think it's like a big deal for business?
To me, I feel that is a great driver to get a customer to come here versus another competitor or different chain. You can come here and also get the rest of the stuff that you want to get while getting your gas.
Where does the distribution come from?
So we have 3 distribution centers that support our 2,600 stores. So we're in 17 states.
So truck just pulled up in the middle of the shot over here. I think those are horses. No, just hay. So I learned a lot here. All right, so I had a great day in Milwaukee. I learned a ton that I didn't know before. Now it's time to go home and put all this information together.
From my time in Milwaukee, a few things are very clear. There is a huge demand for hot food in gas stations. Laura's gas station reported that Hunt Brothers Pizza takes up over 16% of their overall food sales, including hot and prepackaged foods. And Bob called Casey's a business that revolves around pizza and other hot food items, even though it's a gas station. Hunt Brothers even advertises gross margins in the 50% range on their website. Am I the only one seeing the business opportunity here? Going back to what started my journey, let's analyze Hunt Brothers Pizza. Hunt Brothers is successful because they're able to scale into any size location, deliver ingredients to those locations, and let you essentially franchise with no contract or fees. All you'd really need is an ingredient supplier like Pizza Wholesale of Lexington and pizza heating equipment that ranges from $13,000 to $25,000. Now let's discuss the thing that matters here: profits. Here's where I'm gonna sound like a word problem for a minute. Laura's Hunt Brothers Pizza sells about 400 pizzas per month, not including the 50 pounds of Hunt Brothers wings at $12 a pizza. That's about $4,800 a month. Now, subtracting Laura's costs for ingredients at approximately $2,275.68 per month, that totals to just over $30,000 of pizza income per year. Chris's store sells around 600 pizzas per month, and by the same math, that's over $45,000 per year of strictly pizza income. These, of course, are both franchise locations. If you actually built a full gas station pizza business from the ground up like Casey's, which has an annual revenue of over $14 billion, then that's an even bigger pie in the sky. Whether you're looking to franchise a Hunt Brothers Pizza or start your own business like Casey's, finding a convenience store or gas station location that has little to no hot food options in the few miles around it is a great way to start your prepared food business. However, there could be some blockers on your $1 million gas station pizza journey. For example, Hunt Brothers may have almost 10,000 locations, but they're in only 36 states and stop to a halt at the Rocky Mountains to the west and at New England to the east. That means you can build your business only where you can find a proper distributor for ingredients. For potential Hunt Brothers franchisees, you might be out of luck if you're outside any of these distribution zones. Also, competition-wise, there are many gas stations that offer prepared food. I should know, I was in Milwaukee. Like Speedway, which pulls in $23 billion of annual revenue, and Wawa, which makes $13 billion annually. With all that considered, if you're able to franchise a Hunt Brothers in your store or create your own gas station or convenience store food business, the key is nailing down a distributor, having proper equipment, and picking a high traffic area with limited competition. Gas station pizza is clearly not going broke anytime soon, with prepared food sales increasing year over year in gas stations and convenience stores. I found out from Bob that Casey's has made huge expansions in states like Texas, Tennessee, and Kentucky. Since similar businesses like buc-ee's are also expanding the gas station model into places like Kansas and Ohio, the Midwest will only get more convenience store food options. And even though Hunt Brothers hasn't pierced markets like New York City, they're closing that gap.
In a few years, it looks like the gas station pizza capital won't be Milwaukee, Wisconsin. It'll just be America.